So, good afternoon, everyone. I personally here to help you how to apply for University of Duisburg Essen for the course Mechanical Engineering. Under Mechanical Engineering, I am going to apply for Mechatronics. Basically, I'll tell you what are the documents you need to apply. As application process moves on, I'll be telling what are the documents you have to apply. But here, in order to get admission for this course, you need to clear B2 in German. It is a bilingual course, that's why you need B2 for admission. If you are completed now A2 and you are applying, you will get conditional admit. After clearing B2, you will get fully admitted, and you can start the course in University of Duisburg Essen. Now we'll see how to apply. Yeah, we'll move on. So this is the university website, University of Duisburg Essen. Here, if you scroll down, you have a picture called information called how to apply and enroll. You can click on this. If you click on this, you'll get to another page. Here you have to apply for degree students, a degree seeking student, information of admission process and requirements of international degree seeking students. Because we are from India, we are nothing but international degree seeking students. So if you click on this, you'll you'll get this page. In this, you're applying as a non EU students. Now you are not applying for bachelor's course, but you are applying for master degree course. That's why you have to click here. Then if you click here, it will directly take into a piece of box where you have all bachelor program, master program, and international studies in engineering. Here you are supposed to click on master program because you are applying for master degree. Now if you click on master degree, then you can click on master application. So after clicking on master application, it will directly like takes you to the online application portal where you can apply. So you're applying for first time, that's why you have to register first. While registering, you have to click on register. Now you will get a set of information you have to fill now. So for filling, you can give your details. What are your surname? So here you have to give email. This email is very much important. Please give a perfect email. After submitting this information, you will get a code or a password where you have to log in through that password. So that's why email is very important. So here you are only allowed to set your password. So please set your password according to your own criteria. So now I have filled all mandatory details what they have given. So I think I'm good to go. I'll just press on register. So now it will show you have been registered. So you have to get your mail ID, and you have to like mm, what you can say. First, you have to do your verify your email. So see, when it comes here, I have got a self registration link from university portal. So this is my username. Then this the email for confirmation. So they have only given username, password, your chosen password. So you can choose your own password what you have mentioned in that link. Now if you get through this link, it will directly verify your email, and it will go to that portal which we have opened already. So here we are. So now we have to mention our username. As I mentioned, my username was Satish1 and my prescribed password was, I'm typing that, so I'll press login. So this is the first step what you have to do before applying. Now your portal is ready. Now this portal is only subjected to for you only. This portal is owns by you. Now you have to apply with this portal itself. Now you have to start application, a new application portal. Now it is accepting application for summer 2021. See, in Deutsch the application deadline is till March 31st, so you have ample amount of time. But what I recommend is, if you apply early, it will be beneficial for you. So now here you have to click on add to request. Now you will get a new page generated for you. Now you have to select a degree which you're applying for. You're applying for master one subject. Then after one subject is applied, then it will ask for subject which you are applying. I'll select, I'm applying for, I said mechanical engineering. I select. After selecting mechanical engineering, it will show which major you're selecting. Now in this, I'm applying for mechatronics. So these three like majors you can change. If you are applying for any other electrical engineering or any other mechanical engineering, instead of mechatronics you can select any other major of fields. It's your what you can say, it's your wish. After selecting these criteria, you can click on next. After clicking next, it will take you to next set of information. Here you are supposed to enter the master, enter the country in which you studied. This is basically a brief introduction where you have studied your bachelor's. Now you'll give your country where you studied and name of the university. I have studied in of next standard degree. I have done bachelor's of engineering. Then if degree does not appear in, then subject what I have done is electrical engineering. I'm not supposed to apply for mechatronics, but I'm helping people in order to apply for those this course. That's why I've selected mechatronics. So just to say, mm, just to tell you how it works. So beginning of study is from 2016, end of study is 2020. Date of graduation you can give or you can end it off, but it is preferable you give August 1st 2020. Now, so these are the bachelor's degree information which you have to give once you selected your master degree program. Then when you click on next, you're supposed to give how much level German you have completed, because this is a bilingual. After filling your bachelor's degree information, now the next set of information what you should give is how much level German you have completed. See, for this course you need B2 for your admission. If you have completed A2, A1 or B1, you can apply, but you'll get conditional admit after, like, if you clear their requirements, they'll give conditional admit. So I have cleared my A2 now, so I can apply it with A2. I'm applying with A2. Now I've selected A2 and click next. So here you are supposed to give your original degree certificate and original degree transcript and module manual. So you can choose file and upload. So this is my degree certificate and this is my transcript which I'm going to apply now. And other thing is module manual book. So it has shown it is optional, but I recommend you to apply with module manual book manual, because they'll go through your module manual and they will compare with their bachelor's degree, so that if you have studied their own, what you can say, if their bachelor's and your bachelor's is matching, so you're good to go. That's why it's very preferable if you apply with module handbook. So I have my module handbook here. I'm applying with my module handbook, so I'll click on, I should wait until it upload. So it has been uploaded. I'll click on next. So after like giving all details about your degree, and after giving all details about degree, you have mentioned how much level you have done, like completed in a German. So I have given A2, so I'm uploading my A2 certificate, because it's mandatory to complete B2 in order to enroll. So I'm applying with my A2 certificate. Sorry, there was a problem. I have applied with different file format. We are supposed to apply with PDF. Now I've given A2, that's why I'm uploading my A2 certificate here. Then I'm clicking next. So if you click next, it will ask you to upload, it will show overview before submitting your application, so you can just check all information which you have given here. Master Science of in Mechanical Engineering specialization, so in preparation without admission restriction here. Then your bachelor's degree information and which level of A2 you have completed, like German you have completed, and these are the documents which you have given. You have given degree certificate, transcript, and complete module handbook, and a German PDF. So if you click on this check button, it will like show that all whatever the information you have entered is, what you can say, is verified, and you have to submit your request. After submitting your request, your online application has been what it has been sent. So after that you have to wait for sometimes, so that they'll come up with admission or rejection. So thank you for all who are stayed and watched till now. So you can just mention in comment box whichever the university you're struggling to apply, so I can come up with a video on that application process. So thank you.